Number 9? Okay. What does number 9 say?
X squared plus 4x minus 5.
Let's see here.
X squared minus 2x
Wait.
plus 1.
X squared plus 4x minus 5, all divided by what?
X squared minus 2x plus 1.
X squared minus 2x plus 1. Is that right?
Yeah.
Let's see if the calculator gets it right. Is it negative x minus 5 over negative x plus 1? Is that what you guys have? Oh, okay. So you guys might have something different. Let's see what they get. Okay.
It's just x plus 5 and then x minus.
You got it right. So if we're gonna factor the numerator and we're gonna factor the denominator, okay? It's gonna be the product of two binomials. Hey, oh, you're here, Olivia. I thought I had scheduled activity next to your name. You were. No. It said I marked you absent because you weren't here or something. You did? Oh, I'm sorry. All right, I'll resubmit it. Don't worry about it. All right, so here's the top: x and x. What's here? 5 and 4. So I probably need a 5 and a 1. They have to multiply to negative 5, but add to positive 4. So I'll probably put a plus there and a minus there. Is that okay for everybody? Okay, good. Now on the bottom, right? I'll have x and x. I'll have 1 and 1. Looks like negative and negative, right? So the only thing that cancels out is this piece and this piece. So look what we get for an answer. We get x plus 5, all divided by x minus 1. Is that the same thing as this?
Yeah.
Yes, it is because they're multiplied by a negative 1, but otherwise we got it right. Okay, there's number 9. What's the next one on your list? 18. What's it say? 15? 15? Okay. Oh, oops. Okay, Andrea, what's 15 say?
2x cubed.
2x cubed, thank you.
X squared minus 10x.
Minus x squared
Minus 10x.
minus 10x
Over 3 cubed. Over the x cubed.
over x cubed
Yeah. Minus 2x squared.
minus 2x squared
Minus 8x.
minus 8x?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa. Does not recognize this. There we go. Does not recognize this either. There you go. There. Does that look right? All right. Let's see if the calculator can figure this one out. Okay. They have this. Wow. Negative 3 over negative x plus 4 plus 2. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Well, that's what they got. But here's what I would do. Okay. First, let's factor out an x on the top, right? That would leave me with 2x squared minus x minus 10. Is that okay for everybody? On the numerator, I'd factor out an x. That would leave me with x squared minus 2x minus 8. Is that okay? Okay, now does anyone notice anything right there right away?
Perfect and 2 squared.
Yeah, the x is canceled out, right? Because you're multiplying, okay. So now I need to break up this this numerator here. So I'm going to have the product of two binomials. And then on the bottom, another product of two binomials. So on the top, let's see here. I'll probably have 2x and x. And then to get 10, right, I probably need 5 and 2. So I'll put 2 there and 5 there. Will that work? 4x and 5x, I can make a negative 1 if that is negative and that is positive. Okay, on the bottom, I'll have x and x. And then I'll probably do 2 and 4. And let's see here, I have to get a negative 2, so maybe negative and positive. So does anything cancel out? The x plus 2 and the x plus 2. So they give me, so the answer then is 2x minus 5, all divided by x minus 4, which is the same thing if you simplified that one over there. But I'm sure many of you got this. Is that right? All right, does this help you out by me going over this with you? Okay. What's the next one you guys want? 18, okay. Okay, what's the question say?
X squared.
X squared plus. Whoa, this is not right then. Okay, so how about x plus 2? Quantity squared? Quantity squared, yeah. Minus 8? Oh, sorry. Minus minus 8x, okay. X minus 2 squared, like that. Calculator says the answer is 1. Who got it right? Ooh, all right, 5 or so people. Let's see how they do it. Here's the deal, right? So taking that first binomial and squaring it, you get this. X squared plus 4x plus 4. That comes straight from squaring a binomial. Minus 8x. Daniel, pay attention. On the bottom, I have x minus 2 all squared. Who can square that binomial? What do you do? What's the rule? X squared, good? Minus 4x, good? Yes, nice job. Okay, now, you have like terms on the top. You have a 4x and you have a negative 8x. So how much does that get when you add together? So I have x squared minus 4x plus 4. Oh my gosh, divided by the same thing. X squared minus 4x plus 4. Bam, that equals 1. So the calculator was right. All right, feeling pretty good about that one? 33. We're doing 33. Olivia, can you read it to me, please? Yeah. 5x squared minus x over 3x plus 2 times 2x squared minus x 2x squared minus x minus 1 times 10x squared plus 3x minus 1 over 6x squared plus x minus 2? Okay, so this thing is really upset. It does not want to do any of that. Alright, so it says forget it, you're on your own. Okay, well here's what we have going on. Okay, we have three. I'll do it by myself. I'll help you out, calculator. We have three rational expressions that are being multiplied together, right? And what we have to do is we have to factor each one as we go. So this top one over here, I can factor out an x, right? And that will leave me with 5x minus 1. Is that correct? The bottom left, I can't do anything with. I'll just leave it as 3x plus 2. The top middle, I can factor out an x, and that will leave me with 2x minus 1. The bottom one is going to be the product of two binomials. And it has to be 2x and x, probably 1 and 1 minus and minus. Oh, wait, no. Plus and minus. There we go. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. There we go. And then the top right is another product of two binomials. So I'm going to have probably, I'm guessing 5x and 2x. And then 1 and 1. Let's see here. 5 and 2. So negative 2 and a positive 5 will work. And then at the very bottom here, I'll probably have maybe 3x and 2x. And then to get 2, let's see here. I have to get 2 and a 1, so maybe a 1 and a 2. Does that work? 3 and 4. There we go. 3 and 4 is a positive one, so plus and minus. Does that work out? No. Negative 3 plus 4 is 2. Yes, that does work out. Okay, great. Now, does anything cancel out for us? Yes, there is some stuff, right? I see, what do I see? This thing and this thing. Okay, anything else? 2x plus 1 and a 2x plus 1, and that is it, huh? No, those are on the top. Both of those are on the numerator. You cannot cancel those out. So that means I've got this for an answer. I've got x times x is x squared. I've got a 5x minus 1 squared because I have two of those on top. The numerator gives me 3x plus 2 squared times x minus 1. That is the answer. Holy cow. Yeah. Okay, 24. Paolo, can you read 24 to me, please? Go ahead. 12 divided by x squared minus x times x squared minus 1 divided by 4x minus 2. That's it? Ooh. And it looks like it picked it up. Let's see if we can get an answer from this. The book says calculator just says the exact same thing I wrote down. This thing is useless, man. All right, here we go. So here's what here. On the top, I'm going to have to factor each of these pieces here. Okay, so I'm going to have 12 up here. I'm going to have an x times x minus 1. On the top right, I'm going to have x plus 1 times x minus 1. On the bottom, I'm going to have 2 times 2x minus 1. Is that right? Everybody cool with that? Okay, anything cancel out for you? X minus 1, anything else? There we go. So then the answer is 12 times x plus 1, all divided by x times 2, which is 2x, times 2x minus 1. Alright,